But I look at India, it's still the Indian chefs are still very passionate on your local Indian cuisine. But every one of them can do a very good cuisine, as I say. I tasted since the first day I'm here. Every day almost 3 meal, 4 meal. Plus judging, I've been having Indian dish. So I can see every Indian dish, every Indian chef they cook up with a very different, even though the same dish, but I went to many restaurants, they have a very different color and enhance. I think the spices and the herbs very exciting.
The food talent in India is huge, very huge. Now it's a lot of upcoming young chefs. Because these few days I've been judging, I've been seeing a lot of the young chefs. They have the talent, they have the creativity. Only need to be guide them more, and I think they will be in standard of the international standard. You have to guide them, their gurus have to guide them to what they have been to do. And that's good because they have the creativity. They have all this idea, and then they have to upgrade it. So they need some gurus to look into it to get them a good talent on.
I think India has got a tremendous talent pool. As in, I was in Germany last week for Anuga. Was looking at a lot of young chefs cooking. Every time I travel and I see young chefs cooking abroad, I personally feel that infrastructurally we are a bit weak. So we need to give better infrastructure to our coming generation and the youth of India. We need to have better infrastructure in our colleges for the youth of India. However, in terms of talent, I think there's no dearth of talent in terms of thought process, ideology, hard work. I think Indian youth is at par, if not better, than the rest of the world.
I can say that India has got a vast exposure. There is good talent. I would rather say even on the Western front, our Indian chefs are no less than the senior chefs what you can see in the international market. But yes, you have to accept the fact that there are certain areas, like for example, you may say because of the availability of the raw material, or there are certain factors where, sincerely speaking, we do lack to a certain extent, and we have to groom up ourselves to that extent.
Food talent in India is on the rise, I would say. We have so many young chefs who are now coming out from the hotel schools and working in hotels and restaurants, and many of them who are leaving the hotels and joining up entrepreneurs and working in independent standalone restaurants. I think the scene is going to be as good as in a couple of years, as good as what we have those star chefs of Michelin chefs abroad. Like Indian food, Indian chefs have excelled in UK and in the USA by getting Michelin star chefs. I think a day is not too far when Michelin stars chefs will be working in India itself.
India has food talent in abundance. We have very young, talented chefs. There are a lot of chefs who have trained abroad and now back here, and they're experimenting with all new dishes. So I think as far as talent is concerned, we have no dearth of it in India.
India is such a vast country, and each region has its own culture. If we just start working on each region, see the amount of talent, see the amount of variety, and the variety would automatically be giving us more talent, because if we put all the states of India together and put all the cooks together, see the variety and see the talent that we have within our country. Prime Minister also says, have pride in your food. Till the time you don't have pride in your own food, how can somebody else have pride in our food? If I'm an Indian, I should be having a pride in my food. I should proudly order maybe a paratha or a ghee tori rather than saying I want an Italian pizza. With due respect to all the other cultures, but once I encourage that, these students and these small pockets from various states will come out and showcase their talent. So there is no dearth of talent. There is absolutely no dearth of talent in our country. It's just that we need to pull that out and make a platform for them to showcase the talent.
See, food talent is improving now. I think that we must give credit to internet and media. I can see that even non-hoteliers and non-chefs are trying to pick up the talent. So we see the talent is improving compared to our time, old time.